blur this text, I guess. Yes. Hello guys, I hope you are doing good. Last video we made our damage object. That event also we created our dead widget. So in this video we are improving this dead widget with an animation. So I'm open my widget. First, what I want to do, I want to wrap this text box with a size box. So let's first scale this and first let's change the positions. What we want to do, we want to create an animation and call it that anim. So in this animation we are move this size box. So first I want to change the position outside of the widget, outside of the canvas. So we don't see directly, but we will see with an animation. So you are gonna see. First, let's add size box and add transform. In translation, let's add Y. Um, mm, mm, mm. And on second 2 second we are at another key. I don't know why it show directly, but in second 0 it's right there, and when we play it's right there. Okay, so first let's play. As you can see, it's move on the screen. So let's create our event to play it. That anim that widget anim. What we want to do, we want some delay first, like 0.2, 0.1 is good, and let's play our animation. After 2 seconds, because our animation is 2 seconds, what we want to do, we want play animation again, but this time it's reverse. And remove from parent is self. So we have to call this event on our event apply damage. So it's right there. That's with anim. It's quite simple, as you can see. Let's look. Let's try again. So if we change this delay like 4 seconds and delay 2 seconds after this reverse, it probably, yep, as you can see. I'm not sure if it's necessary, so I'm gonna remove them. Also, maybe this reverse doesn't need, but let's look. Yep. But if you want this upper move, we can just leave like this. Okay. Yes, it's quite good, I think. Also, we can add our that widget and blur, background blur. I'm gonna set this strength as 5, but first let's look. Yeah, it's good. Maybe we can set it as 10. It's blurring also this text, so I'm gonna leave that as 5. I think it's quite good work, so I hope you like it. See you next time. I forgot to say this, so in this widget blueprint we can set our size box ZOrder as 1, so it's not gonna blur this text, I guess. Yes, or set background ZOrder -1, but I think its size box is quite good. Okay, that's it.